Hello and welcome to another video with Assay Genie. Today we are going to talk about our MycoGenie Mycoplasma detection kit. Did you know that 15 to 70% of cell cultures are contaminated with mycoplasma? This contamination results in millions of dollars in lost time, discarded cultures, suboptimal protein production, and even misidentified cell lines. Today we are introducing the MycoGenie Rapid Mycoplasma Detection Kit, a breakthrough solution for cell culture scientists. The challenges are real. Current mycoplasma detection kits are expensive, costing up to $900 for just 50 tests. They require complicated instrumentation like luminometers or qPCR machines, take up to 3 hours to deliver results, and involve complex protocols. Scientists face delays, wasted resources, and unnecessary stress. Both MycoGenie Rapid Mycoplasma Detection Kit changes the game. With a simple one-step colorimetric assay, you can detect contamination in just 1 hour. No expensive equipment or complex analysis required, just a visual color change in a single tube. How it works, this is the protocol for our kit. So using MycoGenie kit is easy. You add 1 microliter of MycoGenie enzyme, mix with 24 microliters of MycoGenie buffer, add 1 microliter of culture supernatant, incubate for 1 hour at 60 degrees Celsius, and check the results by eye. So the color change will indicate the presence of the essence of mycoplasma. Why choose MycoGenie? MycoGenie is fast, flexible, simple, and economical. It delivers validated detection for up to 28 mycoplasma species. Its 1-hour detection system works seamlessly with both adherent and suspension cells, as well as a wide range of serum and media types. And best of all, it's a low-cost alternative to PCR and ELISA methods. When it comes to sensitivity, MycoGenie holds its own. As you can see, it matches the gold standard of qPCR and surpasses traditional PCR methods. MycoGenie delivers cutting-edge results without the need of high-end equipment. MycoGenie isn't just effective, it's trusted, and it's cited in publications like Nature Metabolism. It's a proven tool for reliable mycoplasma detection. You can count on its accuracy for your critical research. These are some of the citations that we call for MycoGenie kit. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, visit us at assaygenie.com or contact us at info@assaygenie.com to learn more. Thank you.